वेलकम टू एम्पलीफाई एकेडमी। आज हम लोग लेकर आए हैं राजस्थान सेट लाइफ साइंस की आंसर की। पहला क्वेश्चन है, इन्वर्टेड पिरामिड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय होस्ट पैरासाइट सिस्टम सच कैन ऑब्जर्व इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। द आंसर इज ए, पिरामिड ऑफ नंबर एंड बायोमास बट नेवर एनर्जी, एज एनर्जी का पिरामिड कभी भी इन्वर्टेड नहीं हो सकता है। नेक्स्ट, एज पर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल टू स्पीशीज कैन नॉट कंटिन्यू टू ऑक्यूपाई द सेम। आंसर इज बी, निश। Which of the following related to type 2 survivorship curve? Answer is D. The risk of mortality remains constant. Nitrogen being the major environmental pollutant in terms of groundwater in many parts of the world, what could be the major reason for nitrogen accumulation in groundwater? Answer is C. Excessive use of nitrogen fertilizer. While studying populations, which of the following measurements are the most useful? Answer is B. Density, dispersion and demographics of a population. Which of the following graphs represents the per capita growth rate of population showing exponential growth? इसका आंसर है B. What would happen if a keystone predator species has both removed from the community? इसका आंसर रहेगा D. Decrease in species diversity in the prey community. What would you call a problem with increased genetic diversity following extended time in a tissue culture? इसे हम कहते हैं somaclonal variation. One of your fellow students remarked that the neck of the giraffe stretched its neck while reaching for higher leaves. Its offsprings inherited longer necks as a result. Which statement is most likely to be helpful in correcting the student's misconception? Answer is A. Characteristics acquired during an organism's life are generally not passed on through the genes. Which of the following statement is not correct? Answer is A. Sexual reproduction alone is sufficient for evolution in a process. Sexual reproduction के साथ mutation भी एक major role play करता है to bring evolution. In an experiment which is continued from 50 years, sunflower has been propagated by breeding only from plants with high amount of oil in seeds. Now the average oil content is greater than original population. Based on this, following hypotheses were proposed as an explanation for this observation. Which of the following explanation is correct? इसका आंसर है B, that is only 3. Which of the following represents the correct relation between altruism and natural selection by Hamilton? इसका आंसर है A, RB greater than C. B यहाँ पर benefit है और C is the cost. Which of the following is the correct characteristic feature of phylum Cnidaria? इसका आंसर है D. They are radially symmetrical and diploplastic animals. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is an intracellular pathogen which infects which of the following? Answer is C, macrophages. Which of the following does not belong to Annelida? Answer is D, Wuchereria. Cloning vectors are small pieces of DNA which have the ability and use to introduce foreign gene of interest into the host cell. Given are some features of cloning vector. Which of them are not basic features for all cloning vectors? इसका आंसर है D, 4 and 5. इंसर्शनल एक्टिविटी और कैपेसिटी फॉर सिलेक्शन फॉर इंसर्ट एक क्लोनिंग वेक्टर के अंदर होना ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. मेटाजिनोमिक्स इज सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ डीएनए फ्रॉम अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्पीशीज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट इकोसिस्टम्स. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट फॉर सोमैटिक सेल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन? इसका आंसर है only 2, that is the first report of somatic hybrid plants resulted from fusion of protoplast of Nicotiana glauca and Nicotia tabacum. Which of the following does not represent the plant-based technologies of photoremediation? Answer is phytoresolution. Which of the following is true regarding marker-assisted selection in animals? Answer इसका है all of these: to tolerate abiotic stress, to improve disease resistance, and to improve yield. Somatic hybridization is a technique used for plant improvement. Given are some statements regarding somatic hybridization. इसका आंसर है C, only 1. यही इनकरेक्ट है. द प्रोटोप्लास्ट फ्यूजन गिव्स अ यूनिक न्यूक्लियर साइटोप्लाज्मिक कॉम्बिनेशन. E. coli cells take up plasmid DNA in laboratory experiment by which of the following? Answer is D, transformation. Which among the following marker detected due to the change in base sequence recognition site for restriction enzyme? Answer is B, RFLP. Some of the steps involved in DNA fingerprinting are listed below. Which of the following is the correct order? इसका आंसर है B. सबसे पहले सैम्पल कलेक्ट किया जाएगा, उसके बाद में एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ डीएनए, देन थर्ड ट्रीटिंग डीएनए विथ रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस एंजाइम, उसके बाद में जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस फॉलोड बाय ट्रांसफर ऑफ सेगमेंट्स ऑफ डीएनए टू माइक्रोसेल्यूलोज मेम्ब्रेन. आखिर में हाइब्रिडाइज विथ प्रोब एंड ऑटो रेडियोग्राफी। Protein binding regions of DNA are generally identified by DNA footprinting. Green fluorescent protein GFP and its homologues are widely used as fluorescent markers of gene expression. Which of the following advantage of GFP over fluorescently labeled probes? इसका आंसर है D. GFP provides precise location in preserved cell than fluorescent probes. Analyze the given image and identify the father of the offspring from the given DNA profiles of 3 different males. इसका आंसर है B. B is the father of the offspring. The finest resolution to study the internal ultrastructure of cell could be achieved by using the following. Answer is C. Transmission electron microscopy. Variation in the restriction DNA fragment lengths between individuals of species is called as RFLP-A. In mammals, including humans, insulin is synthesized as prohormone. Like a proenzyme, the prohormone also needs to be processed before it becomes a fully matured. This maturation of proinsulin into insulin takes place after which of the following step? Answer is C. Removal of C-peptide. An intermediate of the citric acid cycle that undergoes reductive amination with glutamine as nitrogen donor is B. Alpha-ketoglutarate. Which of the following process is not involved in the nodule formation during biological nitrogen fixation? Answer is A. Rhizobium bacteria gets in contact with a susceptible root hair and divide near it. सबसे पहले वो divide होता है, उसके बाद में वो root hair के करीब जाता है. Who discovered the red drop effect in light reaction during photosynthesis? C. Emerson. The plant hormone that uses two-component histidine kinase receptor system for signal transduction is A. Cytokinin. What could be the possible explanation of fall in photosynthetic activity at higher temperature? Answer is D. It is due to the oxygenase activity of rubisco in C3 plants and denaturation of protein in C3 and C4 plants. Leaf abscission in plants is regulated by auxin and ethylene. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the amount of these two during the leaf abscission? Answer is B. Increased amount of ethylene and reduction in auxin. Which of the following is the homologue of beta-catenin in Drosophila? Answer is A. Armadillo. Which of the following is the primary organizer in the case of chick development? Answer is D. Hansen knot. You are doing a research on fruit flies, and if there would be a mutation occurred in a homeotic gene, which of the following developmental abnormalities would be observed by you? Answer is C. 1 and 2. That is, a fly with correct number of segments has 2 additional thoracic segments and 2 less abdominal segments, and 1 abdominal segment has legs. What could be the possible reason that prevents the cell adjacent to progenitor vulva cells from differentiating into vulva cell in C. elegans? इसका आंसर है B. The cells are too far to receive Lin3 signal. There are signaling centers responsible for vertebrate limb development. Which of the following is responsible for specification of the limb field? Answer is D. FGF. A mutation in a representative dicot plant resulted into having floral organs as sepal, petal, petal, sepal. According to ABC model of flowering plants, which class mutation is responsible for such class gene of alteration? The answer is D. Mutation in C gene. Embryonic development in Drosophila is an orderly sequence of change and is controlled by the different expression of genes. Which one of the following genes are egg polarity gene in development of Drosophila? Answer is B. Caudal and hunchback. The process by which the cells become structurally and functionally distinct during development is called as both A and C, that is differentiation and specification. Which of the following comes under group Amniota in animal kingdom? Mammals, reptiles and birds, that is T. Which one of the following is the major cause of loss in number of migratory birds? इसका आंसर है B. Loss of habitat. For which type of ions the resting potential of a biological membrane is close to the theoretical Nernst potential? इसका आंसर है A. Ions which are impermeable. N-terminal matrix targeting sequences are recognized by which of the following during protein targeting to mitochondria? Answer है B. TIM23 and TIM17 proteins. Kinetochore microtubule is a mitotic spindle which attaches to chromosome at the specific site called kinetochores. The process by which the spindle fiber gets attached to the chromosome is known as C. Congression. Homologous are the sequence that arose because of speciation, for an example, the alpha tubulin genes in different species. आगे के 50 आंसर्स कल इसी चैनल पर अपलोड किए जाएंगे। इसी के साथ एम्पलीफाई एकेडमी जून से लाइफ साइंस के ऑफलाइन बैचेस उदयपुर में स्टार्ट करने जा रही है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।